Hello dear friends, this is Rasmita. I'm explaining about the day 5 schedule of a Think Rich show which has happened on 5th November 2020. I'm giving a complete description of the things which Besser has explained completely during this workshop. The first thing which he has explained, the three things which we have to be have with us as a pillar. The first one is a sangat. Sangat means the friends. If you are surrounded by good friends, you are always will be getting benefited, and your nature, your mind, your thought process, everything will get diverted as per your friends, as per your surrounding, as per your circle, wherever you are talking, wherever the people you are interacting, their thought process and your thought process, everything will get always match with each other because you are all frequencies all together. That's the reason only you are all good friends, right? So the second thing is a habit. If you are connected with a good friends, with good sangat, with good those whatever you can say, the habit also will get diverted. Like if you are planning to go for a walk daily in the morning, your friends are ready to walk, definitely it will motivate you, it will start walking. This is one of the practice. So walking and waking up early in the morning, that is also one of the practice. These are all one of the different habits which you can develop if you are having good friends. The first one is a friend, and the second one is the habit, and what about the third one? And the teacher. Now someone should be always there with you. The teacher is a word, is a person, or is a thing, or it can be a book, it can be anything, it can be on website. Nowadays internet is so fast, we can use internet or YouTube or any other mode of media can be used as an teacher. It can be a person, like there are lots of way of teaching. You have to always take input from others, those who are your guide, and it will give you a path where you want to go. So without teacher you cannot proceed. So teacher is a must. You keep a mind, like you keep a set a goal in your mind, okay? Then follow the person. Might be someone else, someone is your ideal person. You want to follow the person, you want to follow the way the person speak, you want to follow the way the person uh, spend its time, the way the person's schedule of the day, how it's diverting, how it's dividing its whole day, and how it's always how he or she is completing his or her activity daily basis. Initially you follow, you try to collect all the information, then try to implement all the things related to you, and compare all the activities so that all the habits will slowly come to you. Then then you can modify whatever you like. It's not like you have to stop yourself, you can proceed further also. But initially you follow your teacher, it can be anyone. Like if you're talking about, I told you now about the book or internet or YouTube or any media, how can you follow that? So you will be getting lots of information about. If it's a book, read the complete book, then you will understand lot of things, right? Then if you understand a lot of things, try to collect all the information what the book is trying to give you, then slowly implement in your life. It's easy for a person. If it's a person, it's really easy for you to follow. It can be anyone else, it's not strictly a person. Similarly, the growth can happen with any people. You can follow each other friends, your friends can also be your guru, right? So now the next point which sir has given a highlight of is E is equal to mc square, which science has told us, right? You must have all learned about this. What is it? It's like energy cannot be created or destroyed. It converts from one form to the other form. What is it? When the universe is created, it has the fixed amount. God has given fixed amount of energy. This amount of energy is there. God has given this amount of energy. And believe me, till now we are getting the same amount of energy. This energy is just converting from one form to other form. We are getting in the different cycle, in different form. Might be the one person is releasing, the other person is collecting. If it's not used by anyone else, it's lying down somewhere else. It's our duty. We have to collect all the positive energy, and don't feel like you are not having energy and energy is getting destroyed or energy is adding up. It's not like this. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can change from one form to other form. Always remember this word. God has given us this one. We have to follow that, right? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It changes its form, one form to other form. Now, how we can get this energy? We have to connect ourselves, our frequency, to get that frequency, to that frequency of that product. We are energy. I'm energy. The house is energy. The car is energy. The things which I need it. You can say this pets. It's also having some energy. Everything in this world is having some or other energy. So, so friends, if you want to get something, it can be anything. If you want to get something, then you have to connect your frequency, your desired frequency with that product. It can be anything. If you want to get a car, the frequency of car is this much, your desire is this much. You have to increase your frequency so that you will get your frequency is started matching with this car. Now definitely will get it. It can be anything else. It can be a job, it can be your desired thing, it can be any aeroplane, it can be helicopter. Might be helicopter is here. You increase your speed of frequency, slowly increase. Definitely one day the day your frequency will match with that frequency. Definitely you are going to match it, you are going to get it. This is called the matching of the frequency. All the things in this universe is having some or other frequency. The only thing is, if the two frequencies match each other, they come closer to each other, they attract each other. When we are talking about the sangat, right? The sangat means what? The friends. How you two people become a good friend? Mm, because of the frequency. Sometime you must have seen the family members, they are not close to each other. What's the reason behind it? The reason only behind it is the frequency does not match with each other. That's the reason they are not connected. The heart to heart, they are not connected to each other. Just they stay in the same house, which is called a house only. Similarly, there are a lot of things. Whenever you want something, your frequency should always match with that person, that thing frequency. Then only you will get that frequency. I am not able to speak anything. I am not able to get any good friends. Cut. What is this? So if the thing which BSSR has always tells us the same thing, we can teach to our small children also from the beginning of their life. If they should not speak any negative words like, I'm feeling bored today, I don't have anything to do, why the day is so boring, I like my friends are not talking to me, I don't have any friends today. These are all negative words. Cut. If you are saying something to your brain, to your train, uh, to some to yourself, you have to always say cut. This is a beautiful switch word, which is the simplest beautiful switch word which we can train to a 3-year child, to 30 or 60-year person or 100-year person. Yeah, whenever we say some negative word, we should always say cut. This is a switch word which we always have to follow, just to avoid negativity, just to nullify the thing which we speak. Sometimes it comes automatically. We don't have control to our brain, right? So that's the reason. Sometimes if it comes, then control your brain and pause a minute, then say the first word you have to say is cut. Okay, so this is the way we can keep ourselves away from the negativities. So now friends, tell me, who is God? Can you tell me the spelling of the God? God. God, the real meaning of God is a God. G for generator. Who is a generator? Who has generated the people? The generator is called Brahma. As we also create lot of things, we are also generators, right? Then O for operator. Operator is a person who operates the thing which is already there in this universe. In this universe, who is our operator? We believe in our Hindu mythology, Vishnu is our operator. So, like, there are a lot of things which we operate also, like the television, mobile, remote, car, aeroplane, helicopter, motor, machine, everything we operate, right? Don't you feel we are also operator? Yes, we are a human being is also a operator. Now coming to the last one, D. D for the destroyer. Destroyer in according to our Hindu mythology again, we believe Shiva is the destroyer of the god. That he destroy the things. He is the destroyer in our mythology. So now there are people those who destroy by the bomb blast, nuclear bombs, towers. They do a lot of things like terrorist attack. All these things. These are not the destroying things. We human being is also a destroyer. We are all also a destroyer. So within us only, within a human being only, we have a God. Z, both generator, operator, destroyer, generator, operator, destroyer. Then I am also a God. Isn't that it? I am also a God. So believe yourself, you friends, every one of you. Just trust you are a God. You are a God. So don't say to your neighbor, I'm a God. Because the person, he or she is also a God. Right? You should not have that feeling of the ego. But the word which the energy gives us the god is we have to feel ourselves as a god, and we can create the lots of energy, we can create lots of potential. Whatever god has given us, everything is there within us only, because we are god. Because we are god, I am the god. So please trust yourself and reach your destiny. Now, God has created human and they have given lots of power. To understand this, the God has given lots of possibilities. The God has given lots of opportunities how we can reach to our goal. There's a small story. The person, there is a priest who prayed to God in the 10 in different ways in the whole life. He was praying from the morning to the bedtime, from waking up to the evening, from the bedtime. Whole day he used to pray the God. Then one day there is a flood happened, and every people they just flew away like anything. They were all moving from the was moving with the water, and everything happened. So during that time, the lots of people came to help the person, please. And also there are hundreds of people they survived. Now there are lots of people they came. One person came from the village to save that priest. The priest says, no, I trust on God. The God will come and help me. Then after half an hour, one more, the flight fighter, the government agency, they came. They also were recovering the people. They were also saving the people. Those people came, but the priest didn't agree. He told, only priest, only God will come and help me. Similarly, the at the end, there is one more small child came, and the small child told, please chachaji, please come with me, I'm going to help you. That time also the priest told, no dear, you please move on, God will come and help me. But finally what happened, the priest died. Then the priest asked to the god, why you didn't help me? Then the god told, there are three different ways I came to help you. The first one, the villagers. The second one is the government agency. The third one, the child. In the form of these three people, I came to help you. But you didn't take my help. That's your fault. It's not like I'll come as an avatar, like having 10 heads, for 10 arms, all these things. These things cannot happen. We will only get the opportunities. The friends, what is the lesson here? The lesson here is, so like opportunities comes, there are ample opportunities surrounding to us. We have to understand the opportunity, we have to understand the signal of the god which God is giving us. We have to follow that signal, and we have to listen. These are the signal of the god for us. We have to take it and Please, most important thing which we have to understand is we have to trust on God, and wherever there is an opportunity, open our eyes, ears, and we have five sense organs. Follow that. God has given all the sense organs to understand the surrounding signals. Then we have to work on that. This is the help God is giving us, because we are also God and God is also giving us. If we match together, if our frequency is matching with the requirement frequency, with the signal of the God, we are going to get that opportunity. So friends, in the last, sir has always explained, keep your energy high, keep your energy high, keep your energy high, always keep your energy high. Then only you will get your desired energy, you will get your energy, the thing which you wanted, which is of high energy. Always stay positive, keep away from the negative, stay positive, stay positive, change your lifestyle, smile always, it costs nothing. Then celebrate each and every day unconditionally. There is no reason to celebrate, there is no reason to laugh, there is no reason of happiness. Love everyone, share the love, share the happiness. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot.